Viparita Hartam Abhi Bhavishyati. Keelalam, Payasudam, Sandhyanam. Keelalam also means water, and Keelalam also they say is blood. So, in the Mari, but on the Idil of the end of the we also want to sit patiently and decipher. But you cannot ridicule because the way they have written and the magnitude of the thinking, the construction of the language, the mathematics they are following, especially in Shulpa Shastras, fantastic it is. Somebody has to bring it out like Otto Hans and Lisa brought it out. And that method, if we start using it, will be more easier for us. That is why computer is the best language for computer science. You can mark my word, in another 15-20 years, it will be only Sanskrit in computers. It will be only Sanskrit. Because it's very easy to handle. Because I was constructing Fortran, COBOL and all in English. English is okay. But when I started learning Sanskrit when I was 12 or 13, that's a different issue. But when I started specializing, the construction, language construction is very simple. That the machine will understand, the artificial intelligence will understand faster, at a speed, almost equivalent to speed of light. That is what I am saying, universe is connected because they have now only proved through double slit experiment that a measurement, what is an electron? Inside a nucleus, inside an atom, the core is what is known as nucleus of an atom. Outside the atom, outside the nucleus, but inside the atom, we have electrons swirling, like the stars, like the planets swirling around the sun. Sun you imagine as a nucleus. All the planets swirl around the sun. They are the electrons. Now these electrons, they measured. Finally, it was Einstein also did the same thing. And Bell's theory of inequality is also same. When they measured one electron here, if it's an entangled pair is there, the other electron living at billions of miles of away changes its character. It's called entangled electrons, entangled pair. Einstein was startled. So he along with his friend, it's called EPR paradox. Einstein, Poletsky and Rosen. They said, no, it cannot have that, so there is something wrong. But finally they measured and they found it is true. So then they said, there is a DNA something. The DNA has to, we will find out the DNA. Einstein finally, the letter was auctioned last year, 2015 only, it was auctioned. Einstein writes to his son, Hans, I am not able to say why the measurement of one electron changes the measurement of other entangled pair outside greater than the speed of light. Therefore, my equation that light travels, light is the fastest traveling authority, fails. And 1982, Alan Aspect in Paris University confirmed this. That is, this electron, if I measure the other entangled pair, just like Steve Vack's cell, I told you 40 minutes away, changes there also. That means something is traveling at a speed greater than that of light. That means we are all interconnected, he says. We are all interconnected. Therefore, that law is what it states in our Vedas also. Anoho, Anurivan, எல்லா இடத்துலையும் இருக்கு. நீயும் நானும் ஒன்று. அதனால தான் அவன் அசாவாதித்யோ பிரம்மா, பிரம்ம இவா அஹமஸ்மின்னு எழுதினாங்க அவங்க. Everybody, because it has to come. That law of equation has to come. If you are connected to the divine, and divine is all powerful, you are divine. Simple logic. That you have not realized that you are divine is the fault. அது வந்து scientific reasons are there, but there is an exaggeration are there. The Ramayanasla Vimanas irundhudu. Indrajit was having, Ramatta kadayadu, because they had a special air force mantra that propels the forces of nature to some point. Whereas in Mahabharata you did not have the Vimana. Mahabharata you did not have the Pushpaka Vimana. Some people, the arsenals with Karna, even Robert Oppenheimer is astonished. Mahabharata war after that, 3000 years back, Harappa civilization, all nuclear radiation la settu poirukanga. When the bodies were excavated at the Mahabharata areas. How it can happen, a Robert Oppenheimer, no, he writes very beautifully. Only the Hindus knew that. Robert Oppenheimer, he tests carbon dating pannanga. That means they had that, these fellows had some Karna, Arjuna, Indrajit, they had all those very, Rama. That's why Rama was called to guard the yajna when rishis were doing, because with one astra and one bow, he cannot kill 100 tribals or 100 rakshasas or 100 animals at a time, unless he is able to split them. It becomes meaningless, because otherwise the rishis must call Rama's army, Dasharatha's army to protect. They call only Rama, they call only Lakshmana. Why? Because Rama had that power to split the arrows. Arjuna had it to split the arrows. Karnan had it. Indrajit was the most powerful. He had it. It's all proof. The proofs are there. That mantras, that certain things, that shlokas we are searching. Shlokas is absent. There is a breakage if you take even in Ramayana. There will be a breakage. In most of the Vedas there are breakages. We have to thank Maurice Bloomfield. We have to thank all those Western Englishmen. I salute them. They actually, what they did was they codified verse number 1, verse number 2, verse number 3, like that. They codified the Rig Veda. They have done a nice work. We cannot simply ignore them. They have done a very good work. Some of the Englishmen have done a very good work. Any questions?
My name is Dheeraj. I just studied in 6th grade.
When we studied about the early Vedic period and the later Vedic period, the early Vedic period they told like the women at Swayamvara they could choose their own husbands. There were no like partiality and everything. What was the reason which changed in the later Vedic period where the kings became more powerful? They had to make these yagnas and they made women lower. They welcomed the son more than a daughter.
Which is later Vedic period.
What was the reason
Those things cannot be confirmed, but yagyas were
performed. Yagyas were performed because they were thinking that yagyas could attract certain forces of nature. There are 33 devas, 33 forces of nature. Yagya, by chanting that mantra, they can attract and they will get their desire. It's a way of a concentration. It's a way of a meditation through fire. They were doing yagyas, but I am not sure whether in the early Vedic period or what do you mean by Vedic period itself, I am not sure. Because Vedic period is so huge, what is early and what is post-Vedic period, there is nothing called because if you want to stop at Ramayana or from Raghuvamsha, that period means before that is early Vedic period means it is very difficult to classify that there is something. From Ramayana, if you want to take post-Vedic period, Ramayana we had Swayamvara. From Ramayana times we had Swayamvara. All Raghu kings from Rama times we had Swayamvara in ancient India. There is no doubt on that. In that, what you want to say? Women were not degraded. Women are degraded.
In early Vedic period, which was confirmed by the Rig Veda.
And the later Vedic period was done by the other three Vedas, the Yajur, Atharva and Sama. So what they did is, in the later Vedic period, the superstitious things became more, and they got some negative beliefs like you should not do this, you should not do that. What was the reason which changed between both these periods? Why did they started thinking negative things more?
no.
Your question says that the later Vedic period, that is the later years after the Rig Veda. Rig Veda was the original. Then after Rig Veda, Maharishis, all this, they started all these other three Vedas. Now, if you're going to say that as the post-Vedic period, in post-Vedic period we had nothing called what is known as any negative like that. We had nothing called any negative thoughts. They believed in that yagya. They believed in fire god. Up to that point, they created the Vedas and they believed the Vedas and believed the fire god only. And Indra only was the Rig Veda god was Indra, along with other 32. But negative emotions and other things, then if you post-Vedic period stopped, if you want, from Raghuvamsha period, if you want, they have traced the Raghuvamsha, the first great-great-grandfather of Sri Rama. If you are going to start that with the post-Vedic period end, and then you are going to say the post-Vedic period has ended there. From that time, Swayamvara was there. Swayamvara was there from that time. But negative thoughts and all, it is there is nothing called a standard negative thought prevailing. I don't think we can assume there was a negative thought prevailing. Women were degraded. Women were even worshipped everywhere at all periods of time. So we are not like that. So period of time, Vedic period is Vedas stopped. After that Sama Veda, nothing came. Then only Kavyas came. Raghuvamsha Kavya, that Kavya, Shastra, Shulpa Shastra, that Shastra, and all Shastras were written by various rishis. So we are ourselves not sure when this area of fourth Sama Veda stopped, then after that there are no Vedas. Though they say Bhagavad Gita is another fifth Veda and all, it's all interpretation only. So after that, when it stopped, we are not sure. And then from the kings were following those Vedas, and the kings were following the Yajnas. A little bit of Yajnas prescribed in the Vedas. And then the Upanishads also they were following. Upanishads period is different. Upanishads are based on Vedas and some are not based on Vedas. They are all philosophy, texts of philosophy, like Katha Upanishad or any Upanishad. Some 108 Upanishads we can now trace. 10 is there, 10 or 11 Adi Shankaracharya has given his Bhashya. But we are not sure those areas because India we could not maintain a proper time. Though we can only conjecture and surmise timings. We don't know actually what is the Veda, but our civilization is the oldest. Because that level of Sanskritam was there, that level of ideas were there, that level of people were living a very, very comfortable life was there, sometime around 5,000 to 7,000 years. But I would not say for sure that we were having negative thoughts. Everybody in India were having negative thoughts, or Vedic period was responsible for negativity, or women were decried or denigrated. We never had like that unless after the advent of around 10th, 11th centuries only we might have had. Nice question. You are a young boy, but I am very happy that a young boy is asking Vedic questions. I want young boys to develop very powerful, so that your positive thinking must be there. You come out so top. If you remove the negative emotions and remove everything, you'll come out. All the youngsters will come very bright. Very bright, and India will be very, very advanced. I'm very happy. The youngsters like you are asking Vedic questions. God bless you, Vedic.
Very nice to